your packages, your food, you'll see a lot of palm oil in all of your foods you eat. Hey, let's take a look and see what's going on outside right now. 68 degrees. What a beautiful, beautiful end of the day as the sun going down over the city of Raleigh. We did get and break into some decent amounts of sun this afternoon. So here's what you need to know through the weekend. Another warm day Friday. Another warm day Friday. Here's the high temperature map. We're going to be in the upper 60s. There'll be a few 70s to our south. We won't be as warm as today because there'll be a cold front pushing down, and you can see the 40s and 50s kind of lining up, ready to move into our state, but not until we get into the upper 60s to low 70s tomorrow. So that front is our next weather maker. It's going to come in here late Friday afternoon. The northeastern part of the viewing area will see clouds and cooler air before, let's say, down in Pinehurst, but that will sweep from the northeast to the southwest, and it'll set us up for a cooler weekend. But I'm still only keeping small chances of rain, just a little bit of drizzle and light rain at times on Saturday. Rays of sunshine for tomorrow?
3.
I'm going to go with the 3 based on the fact that the clouds are going to increase tomorrow and the day will end up mostly cloudy. Better chance to see more sun late in the morning through the early afternoon hours, and then we're going to cloud up. So we'll average it out to a 3, and we'll end up very cloudy and gray for Saturday. Temperatures right now, nothing on the radar, but just some warm temperatures showing. 71 in Fayetteville, 70 in Clinton, 68 in Raleigh, 67 in Durham, 64 in Roxborough, South Hill, Virginia, and Roanoke Rapids, and 66 in Rocky Mount. It was a delightful day. And as we look at the big picture on the SAT-RAD, lots of clear skies south of Raleigh toward Charleston, partly cloudy skies in the Triangle, more clouds up to the north, and that's where we're going to have invade us by tomorrow afternoon. So the hour-by-hour forecast, we discussed how tonight's going to be very mild in the evening hours, and then when you wake up in the morning, still mild, 53 degrees. There could be a little patchy fog till just about sunrise. Otherwise, look for partly sunny skies in the morning. We'll start to warm up quickly. We'll get up to 64 at noon. I've got more clouds in the afternoon, kind of overcast by late in the day after the sun goes down. We'll peak in the early afternoon hours around 2 o'clock, 1 to 2 o'clock in the upper 60s, and then that front will come through, and then we'll start turning much cooler as we head into the nighttime hours and head for the low 40s by Saturday morning. So it's going to become mostly cloudy tomorrow, more sun in the morning, more clouds in the afternoon. Now the Sandhills, you'll be the warmest. Front will get to you last. You might even end up with a little more sun. So 73 Fort Bragg, 73 Fayetteville, 73 Rayford, 72 in Pinehurst. We'll see 69 in Wilson, 70 in Smithfield, and 68 Durham, 69 Raleigh, still above normal, just not quite as warm as it was today. So here is how it sets up on the weather map. The high pressure backs off. There's the front we're watching. After any fog burns off, notice how we're going to pick up more clouds. So I've got us mostly cloudy when you're heading home for your weekend, and it's going to turn cooler. As that front settles to the south, we'll be cloudy and cool. Wintry precipitation stays well to our north. A little low will generate off the differential between the land and the water temperature. That'll move away. This front's going to wave. You know how you take a rope and you can whip it and it kind of waves around? That's what the stationary front's going to do. It might waver a little bit to the north tomorrow on Sunday, so I'm going to put us in the 50s, but it'll hang around, so it's going to stay kind of cloudy, all right? So 69 tomorrow. Cooler, much cooler on Saturday, 48. Just a slight chance of rain, and timing that out would be morning or early afternoon if you see anything. I think Saturday night will be dry and just a small chance of a shower. Depending on where that front is on Sunday will also determine our temperature, 56. For the Martin Luther King holiday, we'll be cloudy to partly sunny with a little northeast flow. We'll still be technically cool, really above normal, but cool compared to today. And then we'll warm back up again as we'll wait for a front to come. So we'll have a chance of a shower on Wednesday. It'll be back into the mid to upper 60s, and next Thursday, pretty good chance of some scattered showers, 64 degrees. But you know, it's no frozen precipitation on that map.
Yeah, I can't say how much more I'm enjoying this forecast than like this time last week.
When
Yeah. Well, I was driving with my windows down on my car today. That was nice.
Did you?
It was definitely.
Your hair didn't blow because it was kind of breezy out.
Yeah, well, I guess I fixed it.
Yeah, you did.
Or did the best you could anyway.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, thanks. Well,